Hey Emma, you look upset. What's going on?
I tried to speak English at work again today, and people laughed.
They laughed. What did you say?
I said he go to office every day. They smiled, but I knew they noticed my mistake, and I felt small.
That hurts, doesn't it? When people notice the mistake, not the effort.
Exactly. I'm trying so hard, but sometimes I think I'll never sound fluent.
Emma, everyone who speaks fluently today once sounded just like you.
Really? Even you?
Of course. Once I said, went to school, and the whole class laughed. I felt embarrassed for days. But that moment changed me. I realized English isn't about big words. It's about understanding time. If you can understand time, you can understand tenses. And if you can express time clearly, people will understand you.
Time? You mean tenses?
Exactly. Most people try to memorize grammar rules, but that never works. You don't need to memorize. You just need to feel the time inside your sentence.
Hmm, that sounds interesting, but I'm not sure I can do it.
Let's try. There are only three main times: past, present, and future. Every sentence you speak belongs to one of these. We'll start with what's happening now. Let's talk about the present. We use it for things that are true now or happen regularly. When you talk about habits, routines, or facts, your sentences sound like these. I wake up early every morning. I brush my teeth. I take the bus to work. She studies biology at university. He plays guitar in the evening. We eat dinner together at 8 o'clock. They live near the city center. It rains a lot in London. The sun rises in the east.
Okay, so for regular things, like what I usually do,
Exactly. Now tell me about your own life.
I study English every morning. I watch short videos to practice listening. I write one paragraph in my notebook every night. And I talk to my friend online to practice.
Perfect. That's all present tense. You're describing your real life. Now look around. What's happening right now?
You're talking. I'm listening. The wind is blowing. Birds are flying. People are walking.
Exactly. That's what we call right now English. Here are a few more examples you can use. I'm learning something new. She's cooking dinner. They're watching a movie. We're sitting in the park. The sky is getting brighter. The kids are playing football. You see the pattern? It's am, is, are plus the ing form.
So if I say, I'm learning English or I'm improving every day, that's present continuous?
Exactly. You're doing something. It's happening right now or around this time. So, Emma, I learn English every day. I'm learning English right now. Both are correct. You just have to feel the time. Now let's go backward to the past. When you talk about something that already happened, you use the past form. Let's start with a few examples. I watched a movie yesterday. She cooked dinner last night. We visited our grandparents last weekend. He called me in the morning. They played football after school. Each of these things is finished, done.
So I just add ed at the end?
Yes, for regular verbs. Worked, played, cleaned, talked, walked. But some are irregular. Go went. Eat ate. Buy bought. See saw. Try some yourself.
Okay. I went to the supermarket yesterday. I cooked dinner for my family. I listened to music before bed. I cleaned my room. I watched your English video last night.
That's the best one. And every sentence you just said was correct English. Now, sometimes we want to show that something was happening, not finished yet. Then we use a continuous form, like this. I was cooking when my friend called. She was reading when it started raining. We were studying when the lights went out. They were laughing when the teacher entered.
So, was or were plus ing.
Exactly. It shows what was in progress. Try it.
I was watching English lessons last night. I was thinking about how to improve my pronunciation. I was making notes while I listened.
Perfect. You see, you just talked about your past actions naturally. Now let's talk about the future, your favorite part, because it's full of hope. When you talk about plans, goals, or dreams, you use will. Here are some examples. I will study harder next week. She will travel to Canada next month. We will join the English club. He will call me tomorrow. They will start a new project soon.
Let me try. I will practice English every day. I will speak confidently soon. I will not give up, no matter what people say.
Every time you say, I will, you create your future. Now, if you want to talk about something that will be happening, not just one action, we use will be plus ing. For example, I will be working tomorrow evening. She will be studying at 8 p.m. We will be traveling next summer. They will be learning step by step.
Let me try. I will be improving my English every day. I will be watching English shows to learn new phrases. I will be speaking confidently very soon.
That's exactly how you grow. You're not just talking about grammar, you're building a new version of yourself. Let's look at what you've learned today. You talked about what you do every day. I wake up early. I study English. That's your present. You talked about what's happening right now. I'm listening. I'm learning. That's your present continuous. You described what already happened. I watched a movie. I studied yesterday. That's your past. You described what was happening. I was cooking. I was studying. That's your past continuous. You spoke about what will happen. I will learn. I will speak confidently. That's your future. And finally, what will be happening? I will be improving every day. That's your future continuous.
When you say it like that, it feels so easy.
Because it is. English becomes simple when you connect it to your real life. You don't need to memorize hundreds of rules. You just need to practice every day with heart.
I think. I'm not scared anymore. If someone laughs, I'll just smile and keep speaking.
That's the best attitude. Remember, fluency isn't about being perfect. It's about being brave enough to keep going, even when people laugh. People may laugh at your English today, but one day they'll listen because your words will have power. Keep learning, keep speaking, keep believing because your English is already improving.
Thank you for watching. If you learned something new today, give this video a like and share it with a friend who's also learning English. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a lesson that makes English simple and fun. Keep practicing and keep believing in yourself.